How to repair the color on a concrete stain floor. In this video, we're going to show you how to repair the color on a concrete stain floor. You will need the following tools: 4 ounces of color bottles, water, and several tools, a sponge or a brush or something to apply the color. Typically here you will see the tools on one side, and then you will see the area, quite common problem, where they put a patch of concrete, and then between the new and the old concrete, you have a hairline, and then it creates some efflorescence of white powder, and the color goes away. So when you have to come in now and touch that up, or you can do that just very easily yourself. This is a very common problem. The process you see here will fix scratches, patches, or any other things that are happening to your floor. The first thing to do is to match the colors to the floor that you're going to be repairing. The second thing to do is to mix, in this case, would be a 50-50, because it has 2 colors mixed together. Then apply them, let it dry until it matches the floor. Once it matches the floor, you're ready to seal. But you can use a sponge, a brush, cotton balls, whatever tool you think is necessary to make this look variegated. You don't want to make it look painted, just variegated. So you're trying to just fill in the white areas. So as you can see here, we are taking our color that's mixed with water, and then we're just slightly dabbing the areas where you can see the white. You see some of the whites in here in the picture, but it's basically a reflection from the lights. It's not that it has white all over in other areas. Only the area that we're focusing on. So you can see that you want to do a random application, not a brush up, not a roll up, nothing that will make it look like you painted the floor. You just want to apply enough color to do that. Now, when it originally goes on, it's a little different color, but once it dries, it should match the color of the floor. And then once you put the sealer, it's going to get wet looking and glossy at that time. Let the color up, apply the color, let it dry for 2 or 3 hours, and then come back with your sealer. Do a very light application. We like to use a Seal Green W10 finish coat because it's a nice glossy coat, and you do have to seal the color for 2 reasons. One is to protect the color that you apply, and the second is to give it that wet look. For more information on repairing concrete floors, visit sealgreen.com or call 800-997-3873.